Have you ever wondered how blood travels through your body? Enter the cardiovascular system, a marvel of nature, with two main circuits playing crucial roles. First, the pulmonary circuit, a vital pathway that carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs and back again. Then there's the systemic circuit, tasked with moving oxygenated blood from the heart to every corner of your body and returning deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Imagine being a tiny red blood cell in the right ventricle of the heart, ready for a trip to the lungs. Your journey begins as you're thrust by the powerful heartbeat into the pulmonary artery, the only artery in the body that carries deoxygenated blood. This artery swiftly splits into two, one for each lung, guiding you to the next stop on your journey. Once you arrive in the lungs, you enter a vast network of tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, a fascinating exchange takes place. You release carbon dioxide, a waste product, which is then exhaled. Meanwhile, oxygen from the inhaled air seeps into you, turning you from a dull red to a vibrant scarlet. From the alveoli, you're swept into the pulmonary veins which carry you back to the heart. You enter the left atrium, then plunge into the left ventricle, and voila! The blood is now full of oxygen and ready for a journey through the systemic circuit. Now, let's follow the oxygen-rich blood as it embarks on a journey to deliver oxygen to every corner of your body. This voyage is known as the systemic circuit. Starting from the heart's powerhouse, the left ventricle, this oxygenated blood is pumped into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From here, it travels through a network of arteries and arterioles, each branching out like a tree, reaching every organ and tissue. As the blood flows into the capillaries, the smallest and most abundant of blood vessels, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the tissues. Simultaneously, wastes and carbon dioxide, a byproduct of cellular respiration, are collected. This now deoxygenated blood, laden with waste, returns to the heart via the veins. It enters the right atrium before moving into the right ventricle, thus completing the systemic circuit. And just like that, the blood completes its journey, ready to start all over again. So, what have we learned so far? We've delved into the pulmonary circuit, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs, allowing it to pick up oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. We then explored the systemic circuit, which is responsible for delivering oxygen-rich blood to the tissues and returning deoxygenated blood to the heart. Isn't it amazing how our body works? Thank you for joining this fascinating journey through the human cardiovascular system.